or if your fly screens let go, look, this one's in pretty bad way. Show you how to fix that. You just need yourself a roll of new Flywire, box cutter, a knife or something, and just one of these spline rollers. You can replace the spline, but probably don't have to most of the time. So you want to find yourself where you can set it out pretty flat, and that's where I found it. Clamp it down to your work, and just spike it like on your bench. You might get a better chance of keeping the thing square. But then you just want to hook your old mesh out of the screwdriver or something to probably help with that. There's the old mesh. Rip that out. That's how you put it on. Alright, so grab your new mesh. Start it out and there a little bit. Grab your spline, one bit reusing and stuff like that. Push it in that corner. Do a little spline roller, only a few bucks at the hardware shop. Make it a bit easier to get it started. Just try and make sure your mesh is square. Then you can just roll it in. Quite easy. That spline, it'll stretch out a little bit, but once you know where you're going to end up, just cut that off, push it home the head there. So now you've got that all pushed in there with the spline. You just want to take your Stanley knife or your box cutter and trim it up, run that line cuts away quite easily, leave you a nice neat finish. And there you have it. Fresh new bit of Flywire in your Flyscreen.